Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time, On Target play of the day. We have 10 seconds to the market open. You have 4 screens in front of you on the TD Ameritrade Think Pipes platform. They're all 1-minute charts. We have the SPY, which was in the green based off of good news or some bad jobs number. Tech was going higher, so it's open and just barely in the green. You have TLRY open at 6% in the green, and then NKTX open up, in the 10% range. These are both long, so TLRY and NKTX long, and then short over here on our Beyond Meat. I'm not really interested in the short unless the market just really flips and goes red based off of that terrible jobs number. So we've been hopping in. We hopped in pretty quick twice this week and got out of our trade within 60 seconds both times. So we're going to be more patient today, even though I want to take this TLRY trade long really pretty quick. But I'm going to be patient because I said I was going to be patient. And then this trade, you can see there's not a whole lot of the volume here. So I really have to be careful when you move in and out of NKTX, but let some volume come into that name as well. All right, for our trade here for TLRY, we look at, call it 15 at the bottom. We would be in higher at 15.15. So that's a 15-cent stop, and then our exit would be up at 15.60, which I think it can achieve. I'll try to back this down to a 10-cent stop if I can, but we shall see. So 15.15 long, there it is. So we're taking a 15.15 long in TLRY. I know I said I would wait, and that didn't seem very patient. We shall see. 15 is your stop. So if it blows below 15, we're out. And then we'll get we're going long here. So to get everything drawn, and it's got to hold $15. If it didn't hold 15, again, we're out of the trade and we're moving on. There we go. Feel a little bit more comfortable about it now. So again, let's 15.60 is your exit point. I don't think it's going to scream higher for that. There we go. That's well, maybe it does. All right. So get our stuff drawn in here. Again, protect yourself first, even though it's going higher right there. Always get your bottom stop in. So we've got that drawn in. All right, 15.15, 15.30 is the first R. 15.45 is your second R. And then 15.60 is your exit. Don't know why that went crazy there. So there we go. There's our trade. Again, looking at 15.60 is the exit, and your protection's all the way down here at 15.50 even. Okay, let's look at the other trades. NKTX just does not have the volume to take long here, so just really can't trade that. All right, get ready for the exit. 15.60 is the exit on TLRY, so just be ready to get out of that trade. Beyond did peak out here. It's a $4 move right here already, so you really can't get in on that short. So you would have had to take it back here in the 109 level. So it's just gone too far to short. Some people exit on a double top like this. I don't. I think this has a staying power of the day, so I wouldn't be concerned of killing the trade here. If you're a professional trader and you have all kinds of little rules like this to get you out of something, remember the situation I set us up for is we take it. We have risk 1 R unit to the downside, so there's our trade. We're out 15.60. Booking our 300% gain. So to recap the trade, so this is TLRY. It was an upgrade off of Jefferies. It was really big news. We'll back out the chart here a little bit so you can kind of see the history. So you had the big gap up, right? And you had it go all the way up to here. And then when we get close to the market open, again, went red right away. So why does it go red? That's profit taking. So we let it go red. We let it establish the low of the day, which was 15.04. We had it bounce back from that, or we picked an R unit of 15 cents. That's where we bought it at 15.15. We put our protection in at $15, so we don't lose money. So we risk 1 risk unit here, and then we go for 3. And it's up at what, 4R now, probably going higher from there. So again, this is where we exit the trade at the 3R point and call it good. So nice trade for a Friday morning.